In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed Loom videos in your Framer project in a simplified, engaging, and easily comprehensible manner. Let's start with how to obtain the embed code from your Loom video. For this, you first need to log in to your Loom account. Once you're in, navigate to the video that you intend to embed. Above this video, you'll find a Share button. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Among the various options that present themselves to you now, find and choose the Embed option. The resulting action provides you with an embed code that needs to be copied for the following steps. However, don't rush into copying yet. First, double-check the privacy settings of the video. It should either be set to anyone with the link or be publicly viewable, ensuring that it is accessible to the right audience when embedded in your Framer project. With that sorted, let us now move on to utilizing the copied embed code in your Framer project. Start by opening your project. Now, it's time to bring out the Insert menu, which you can access either by hitting the I key or by clicking the plus icon found at the top left of your window. This brings up the component library. Here, you need to find the Embed component, which you can do using the search bar. Once the component pops up, drag it onto your canvas and place it where you want your video to appear. With the embed component secured on your canvas, the next step is to paste in the previously copied embed code. First, select the embed component, which you just positioned on your canvas. Following this, switch your focus to the Properties panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Once here, find the HTML tab and click on it. Now, paste your embed code directly into the text field that presents itself. Finally, let's polish things off by adjusting the size of our embedded video to our liking. The Loom video, now safely embedded in your Framer project, will appear in the dimensions defined by the embed component on your canvas. However, the size is not set in stone. The edges of the embed component can be dragged to resize your video player to the desired dimensions. With this final step, you've learned how to successfully embed a Loom video in your Framer project. Happy creating!